Good morning, my name is Cami Poppin with Carpigiani North America, and today we're at Sigep in Rimini, and we'll be demonstrating for you the Ready machine featuring the crystal program, and we'll be demonstrating some filling of pints. So the first step, we're just using a white base today and filling it into the machine. We have our dispensing door on the Ready today. And once the mix is into the machine, we're going to now go ahead and start it. And selecting the crystal setting, and now it begins the freezing process. So the unique feature about crystal is that it is going to incorporate the air. We're going to get about 50% overrun. We'll demonstrate later how this is going to produce a very nice frozen product that will easily flow into the pints as well as the cakes. And now the batch freezer has completed, and as you can see, we can start dispensing our pints. So the standard setting on the Ready for Crystal feature, the consistency setting is 70. For our white base, we've adjusted it to 60. And this is adjustable depending on your product. You can do sorbets, you can do vegan products. All of them work in the Ready on the crystal setting. And now you can see how quickly we can dispense into the pints. One right after the other, consistent overrun. Once we've filled several of the pints onto the tray, we'll transfer them into the blast freezer at -35 degrees. We'll leave them in there for about 10 minutes, and at that point they can be transferred into your display case. Okay, so you can see we filled this entire tray of pints very quickly in a matter of minutes. We're now going to transfer them to the blast freezer. The pints will remain there for about 10 minutes, and then at that point they can be transferred to your freezer case. And because of the air that we've incorporated into the product after the blast freezer, you'll be able to spoon the product out very easily. Okay, and now we're going to show you a cake, which is another great application for the crystal feature and the dispensing door, filling into molds. As you can see here, we did layering, so we have 2 different flavors. It comes out very nicely from the mold. It can be transferred onto the plate and into your display case. And here's a cake we just removed from our display case at 0 degrees, and you can see how nicely we can cut right through it. So thank you for watching our demonstration today, and as you can see, we've filled our freezer very quickly using the Ready and dispensing door. We have a variety of sorbets. We did some layered cheesecake products. And here we're showing a demonstration of the mixed berry, which we just removed from the freezer at 0 degrees. And you can see it's still a very nice scoopable product at 0 degrees. You can see you can do a variety of products very quickly with the Carpigiani Ready machine. Thank you.